Hello YouTube, I have this Echo PB-200 leaf blower, and as you can see, this is broken off. So I'm gonna do a little repair on that. So these, I already loosened them up, but I'm gonna take out those screws.
This one. Okay, here's that. Pop this guy. Use it right here. Okay. Okay, so that one actually is... Okay, I'm gonna take this off real quick. Spark plug is coming out. It looks like the switch is gonna fall out too. Let's just get the spark plug out. Okay. Let's hold it in there.
Alright, so that switch is right there, and that is actually installed backwards, so I need to fix that anyway. Makes it a bit confusing to start, so yeah, it's okay. I'm not going to deal with that right now. There's that guy there. Okay, so let's see what I have in here. Okay, so that looks fine, I guess. I don't really know what to look for, but okay. This is the spool where the rope goes. So looks like pretty simple setup here. It's just spring loaded, so I just gotta rewind that and retie it. I mean, the rope's gonna be pretty short, but that's okay. This is gonna be a two-handed deal, so I'll be right back. Okay, so no luck just rewinding the rope, so I'm gonna try taking this apart and hoping the spring is able to go back in there. Okay, so these things, I don't know what's going on, but usually they fly apart and you can never get them back together. Okay. All right, so that's pretty simple, actually. Okay, so don't take that spring out, because if you do, it's gonna be a pain to get back in there. And I'll just rewind this and hopefully it'll work. Okay, so this is, I just wound it around there. And see if I can get it to go through there. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so got that in there. Screws on there. Just gonna tie this on there now. Okay, so you can see it's just a simple knot here. Not even that tight, so hopefully it stays on there. Okay, so there's that. It should pull itself tight when I try to start it. And put that back on there. Okay. Test it, make sure it works. Yeah, it does work. It sticks out a little bit, but that's all right. I think it'll be fine. All right, so I'm just gonna put this cover back on and then see how it works. Okay, I got the cover on there and I fixed the switch. It was backwards to where that one, the arrow was pointing the wrong direction for stop. But now they both match. So a little bit less confusing. The throttle works. Okay, and this doesn't retract all the way back in there, but it's okay. This leaf blower is pretty old. See if it'll work. Okay, so here's that. Oh, nope, didn't work. Wasn't big enough. Change of plans. That rope was no bueno. It's very old, and that knot just wasn't gonna cut it. So I just put a whole new rope on there, and it's much longer too, so it'll be easier to start without breaking it. And then I also made sure the knot was extra large so it doesn't just pull straight through. And it does work.